Hello guys, welcome to Tenicard Game Offering YouTube channel. In this video, let us speak about a eye-catching personality who have worked hard and achieved his goals at a very young age. Mr. E. Arivalagan, who was born on May 9, 1992 in a district called Vaniyambadi, Tamil Nadu. His father, Mr. Yerusappan, who works as a security guard, and his mother, E. Lata, works as a laborer. When he was in the 8th grade, he started playing tennis under the guidance of Mr. Narayana Surya, who was also an international tennis player and a coach. He played his first state championship in the year 2005 and secured silver medal in singles event. In the same year, he secured 4th place in the national championship. After his first tournament, he got the opportunity to witness the best of the players like Jesudas, Surya, and many others in action, which gave him the opportunity to be inspired by them. Inevitably, made his love and admiration for the sport go up tenfolds. After finishing the sub-junior stage as India's number 2 player, he immediately went on to play for juniors, where he bagged the 4th place. Unfortunately, he did not get the opportunity to play in the nationals. This incident made Mr. Arivalagan so weak that he even considered quitting the game. This was the time when he got support from his father, who consoled his son. The next year, he started practicing once again under the guidance of a new coach, Mr. Venkatesh. Keeping in mind his father's words, he played like a true champion and not only won the state gold medal but ended the year by bagging the truly deserved title of India number 1 singles player in national championship. His hard work, the experiences along his journey, the pain he felt when he lost, and the joy he felt when he won, his father's unconditional love and motivation, most of all his dedication towards the sport, made him the hat-trick singles gold medalist, a rare and prestigious record made by very few players. He was recognized as the number 1 player in the year 2008, 2009 and 2010 and got the opportunity to take part in the Indian camp for the second World Cup that was scheduled in Germany. But sadly, it was the end of his journey in the junior category as he moved on to yet another challenging chapter of his life and career. He was heading to play senior category in the coming year. In the year 2011, he went on to play senior state level where he got to compete against the best of the best. The result was once again the same when he defeated champion tennis players like Mr. Jesudas and Mr. Narayana Surya. Here, the most interesting thing being that Mr. Arivalagan was introduced to the game by Mr. Narayana Surya. After winning over his coach, Arivalagan says, "Winning against my coach was like winning 1000 gold medals in national level." Not only the state medal, but Mr. Arivalagan went on winning the national championship too in the maiden senior nationals. After getting the national gold medal in the year 2011 and 12 and silver in 2013, he got the opportunity to represent his country when he got selected for the international camp. But once again, luck was not in his favor and due to financial difficulties, he was not able to attend the camp. This incident once again made Mr. Arivalagan very weak and heartbroken. After winning so many state and national medals, he could not fulfill his final dream of representing the country due to the financial situation at the time. Even after losing the most prestigious opportunity to represent India in the World Championships in 2013, he still kept his cool, remained focused on practicing for next year's nationals and making it big. In the next year itself, he reclaimed his India number one title after defeating all the international level players. He completed his record of winning double hat-trick by winning consecutively the 2014, 2015 and 2016 national championships. After achieving this, he got another opportunity to represent India in the fourth World Cup, and this time he made it into the team with no complications in his way. He was also became a part of 12-member team for the fourth World Championship which was held at Belarus. In that competition also, he played a vital role in helping the Indian team win the bronze medal that year. The takeaway from his achievements and life story is that no matter what happens in life, hard work always beats luck. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe our channel.